Welcome to your one-day adventure in the Eternal City. If you're short on time but want to make the most of it, we've got you covered with a simple guide to visit all the must-see sites, enjoy some great food, and save time. While this itinerary is a great fit for many, it might not suit everyone, especially if you're traveling with kids or if you have already been to Rome and want to explore some of its hidden gems. But don't worry, we've got you covered with our personalized custom itineraries that are tailored to your needs. Whether you want to see more off the beaten path spots or have specific preferences, we'll create the perfect plan just for you. Check out the link in the description below to learn more about our custom Rome itineraries. If you'd rather let a local expert show you around, we've got some fantastic guided tour recommendations that we've personally tried and tested. Now, if you're sticking to the city center, no worries. You'll get a real taste of Rome, and everything's close enough to walk to. The whole itinerary covers just 2.7 miles. Since we'll be making a few stops along the way, we recommend walking instead of using an electric bike or a moped, and wearing comfy shoes for the best experience. Here's how to do it.
Your first stop. Start your day early at St. Peter's Basilica, especially in summer because the queue gets pretty long and the weather is pretty hot. Nothing really beats that first inspiring view. To learn more about visiting the St. Peter's Basilica and what you can take with you and what to see inside the Basilica, watch our dedicated video and read our St. Peter's guide. You will find the links for both of these in the description below. Then, after visiting St. Peter's Basilica, walk across Ponte Sant'Angelo. Check out those famous angel statues by Bernini and his students, and catch a glimpse of Castel Sant'Angelo from the bridge. To learn more about Sant'Angelo Bridge and its statues, watch our dedicated video and read our guide. You will find the links for both of these in the description below. Next, head to Piazza Navona. Grab a gelato at Grom or a coffee at one of the lively bars and take in the beauty of this iconic square and its beautiful fountains. To learn more about visiting Piazza Navona and its fountains, watch our dedicated video and read our guide. You will find the links for both of those in the description below. After your coffee break at Piazza Navona, make your way to Pantheon. This 2,000-year-old marvel will blow you away with its incredible architecture. You can buy the ticket at the entrance for €5, or you can buy it online. To learn more about visiting the Pantheon, watch our dedicated video and read our Pantheon guide. You will find the links in the description below.
if you find yourself around the Trevi Fountain for lunchtime, Baccano, it's very nice. And we tried many times, so we know it's very nice. I haven't tried Al Moro restaurant, but I heard it's also nice.
After lunch, walk over to Trevi Fountain. It's free to visit, but you have to wait in line if you wish to go down close to the fountain, or you can see everything from the street level. Don't forget to toss a coin if you wish to come back to Rome. If you want to learn more about Trevi Fountain, make sure to check out the link in the description. From Trevi Fountain, make your way to Piazza Venezia, where you will see the impressive Vittoriano monument and take in the vibe of the bustling square. Finally, wrap up your day with a visit to the Colosseum, your chance to experience Rome's grand history up close. You can book the ticket online for €14, and if you happen to be in Rome on Thursday, you can opt for a night in Colosseum guided tour that runs every hour from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. And there you have it, one day in Rome. Quick, unforgettable, and totally worth it. You can read our one-day itinerary in Rome at romeactually.com. I will leave the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more Rome guides and tips. See you in the next video.